go meet the guys. We're gonna go head out to a stunt show. And I'm running late because I had to finish my paper. So yeah. Alright, so here we go. Off to the, or actually off to go meet up with the guys and then head out from there. Alright, so we're going to be heading to some stunt show that's put on by ValleyCycle, so hopefully it's pretty cool. We gotta go that way, we'll catch the freeway.
Damn it. Check out this show. So it starts at 11, we're at 10:30, so hopefully we'll be alright, or hopefully the show will be alright. We're gonna be early, so I don't understand why they made this show on a Friday out of all things. It didn't make any sense. It's open to the family and for family and public, but like it's a Friday at 11 a.m. everyone's at school, everyone's at work. So yeah, I don't go to work until the evening, so I kind of got lucky. Same thing with my cousin, and I don't know if these guys work today or what time they work. So they all have R1s. I'm the odd guy with the 636. Yeah, but I'm very prideful. I love my Ninja. So should be a good time over here. Hopefully it's pretty cool. So we are here, front row.
This guy needs 3.
I took a couple of videos, so the show wasn't really that long. They did like maybe, they started at 11, they ended, well, they didn't end yet. They're gonna be there all day. But I gotta go to work, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the little clips I was able to put out. And hopefully I could find more shows like this in the near future. Peace!
And get to the next show, so we gotta help these guys sweep faster.